Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 8.4-inch NEC screen from 2 CCFL to our LSR series. This LED kit, which is already installed with our L-shaped reflectors, and comes with one LED strip with the L reflectors, and then one drivers and one wire adapters, and one 6-pin pigtails. So basically, let's take a look at the screen for a second. This is made by NEC. The screen number is NL8060BC21-03. It's an 8.4-inch screen with LVDS interface. So to remove the backlight assembly, it's quite easy. You see this clicks here. You push it down, grab the wire, just pull it out, just like that. Okay. So and this one's, like I say, it's quite easy. Then you just basically just push right back. Right, and then you're going to secure the wires right here. I have a tape here. Yes, secure the wires and connect to either one of the connectors. And next video we're going to take a look, see how bright is it. So I just turn on my color bar generator and connect to our controller board. And this is connected to 24 volts. Let's see what it is. Let me shut off this one. This one we already replaced film. See, it's pretty bright. Not extremely bright, but it's probably about 1000 nits. Thanks for watching.